Welcome to Daily Quiz. Test your brain. Quick general knowledge quiz. Let's go. Which is the only body part that is fully grown from birth? 1. Ears. 2. Heart. 3. Eyes. The correct answer is 3. Eyes. How many dots appear on a pair of dice? 126 dots. 242 dots. 0.3 54 dots. The correct answer is 2. 42 dots. What is acrophobia a fear of? 1. Heights. 2. Clowns. 3. Flying. The correct answer is 1. Heights. In what country was Elon Musk born? 1. USA. 2. China. 3. South Africa. The correct answer is 3. South Africa. What country has the most islands? 1. Sweden. 2. Australia. 3. Thailand. The correct answer is 1. Sweden. How many hearts does an octopus have? 1. 4 hearts. 2. 3 hearts. 0.3 8 hearts. The correct answer is 2. 3 hearts. Who performs the voice of Homer Simpson? 1. Dan Castellaneta. 2. Harry Shearer. 3. Julie Kavner. The correct answer is 1. Dan Castellaneta. Compared to their body weight, what animal is the strongest? 1. Ant. 2. Elephant. 3. Dung beetle. The correct answer is 3. Dung beetle. What phone company produced the 3310? 1. Samsung. 2. Motorola. 3. Nokia. The correct answer is 3. Nokia. Which country is known as the hexagon? 1. France. 2. Spain. 3. Germany. The correct answer is 1. France. Sofia is the capital of what country? 1. Belgium. 2. Bulgaria. 3. Belarus. The correct answer is 2. Bulgaria. What animal is the emblem of Canada? 1. Beaver. 2. Moose. 3. Bear. The correct answer is 1. Beaver. Don't forget to subscribe. What country refers to themselves as Kiwis? 1. Australia. 2. South Africa. 3. New Zealand. The correct answer is 3. New Zealand. Where would you find Loch Ness? 1. Ireland. 2. Scotland. 3. Wales. The correct answer is 2. Scotland. How many tectonic plates does the Earth have? A. 5 plates. B. 6 plates. C. 7 plates. The correct answer is C. The Earth has 7 tectonic plates. Which country's flag contains an image of the country? 1. Canada. 2. Cyprus. 3. India? The correct answer is 2. Cyprus. Where was Julius Caesar killed? 1. The Theater of Pompey. 2. Circus Maximus. Point 3. The Roman Forum. The correct answer is 1. The Theater of Pompey. What was New York's original name? 1. New Holland. 2. New Rotterdam. 3. New Amsterdam. The correct answer is 3. New Amsterdam. Which former president does not appear on both a U.S. coin and banknote? 1. George Washington. Point 2. Benjamin Franklin. 3. Abraham Lincoln. The correct answer is 2. Benjamin Franklin. In Japanese history, what was a ronin? 1. A banished samurai. Point 2. A young samurai. 3. A samurai with no lord or master. The correct answer is 3. A samurai with no lord or master. Which emperor built the Colosseum? 1. Nero. Point 2. Tiberius. 3. Vespasian. The correct answer is 3. Vespasian. How many NBA teams are there today? A. 28 team. B. 36 team. C. 30 team. The correct answer is C. 30 team. How many times have the Olympics been canceled? 1. 1 time. 2. 5 times. Point 3. 3 times. The correct answer is 3. 3 times. Who is the youngest Avenger? 1. Spider-Man. 2. Iron Man. 3. Ant-Man. The correct answer is 1. Spider-Man. In what capital would you find the Little Mermaid statue? 1. Ottawa. Point 2. Copenhagen. 3. Rome. The correct answer is 2. Copenhagen. The Union Jack is the flag of what state? 1. Australia. 2. United Kingdom. 3. Germany. The correct answer is 2. The United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Your support means everything to us.